Makeup has the power to transform you completely, as it allows you to become anyone you want to be. I'm your host and Judge Galen, and welcome back to Lakme Academy, powered by Aptech presents Winged, powered by MTV. We started our journey with our top 10 challengers, and now we only have 4 contestants who are still in the running. Hello ladies, how's it going?
Very well.
You know, I have to firstly start off by saying you look fabulous, and now is the time you quite literally need to put your best foot forward and bring your A game to the table. Ambika, what's the plan for this week? How are you going to secure your spot in the finale?
The last session was quite panicky for me, so I am trying to keep my calm this time so it doesn't hinder with my work. Whatever happened between me and Tamanna the last week was quite heartbreaking. It was quite a competition, so I don't think it put her off.
I see that your friend turned foe turned friend is right here. Tamanna, last week was pretty intense for you.
Yeah.
What's the plan this week?
I still want to remain calm, combine all my work, and I'll try to give my best this time.
Okay. With that, the stage is set and the challengers are ready. It's now time to call on stage our terrific trio. Please welcome back Anupma Katyal, National Creative Director, Makeup of Lakme Salon. You look beautiful, Anupma.
Just thank you. And I think everybody's looking lovely today.
All right. Joining Anupma is Mr. Pushkraj Shenoy, the CEO of Lakme Lever.
Hi everyone.
Coming up next is Mr. Sushant Divgikar, or should I say, Rani Kohinoor.
Are you guys ready? Are you girls ready?
Firstly, let's just take a moment to appreciate how stunning Rani is looking right now.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. You truly, at this moment, define the very fact that makeup can transform you.
Yes,
and it can turn you into a completely different person.
Absolutely.
Judges, we are one step away from the finale now. This is it. That moment that can make or break them. Are you excited for your week 5 challenge? Yes. All right, I like. You guys have your game faces on. Let's go back in time to the good old days when I read my favorite comics or played the video games I loved. Back then, I badly wanted to be Wonder Woman one day and Cinderella the next day. That's what this week's challenge is all about. The art of cosplay. It simply means costume play, an art where you can choose to be any fantasy character that you've always wanted to be.
I have never done a cosplay look, so when the chance was given to us, I was really happy about that. But also nervous because these things can, either look really good or look really, really bad.
Before we begin, guys, here are your rules. You will be given 1 hour to create your look. Pushkraj here has some compact boxes with him. Now, each of these compact boxes have a specific character which you will be creating. You gotta go and pick a compact box, and your fate will be in that box. It's time to find out which fantasy character you get to portray. Tamanna. Princess Ambika.
Clown.
Shikha.
Skeleton.
And finally, hamari sweet सी Vijal.
Warrior.
Are you all happy with your themes?
Super happy.
Yes?
I got skeleton. I was so happy because I knew I would create something nice with a Halloween look.
Judges, is there anything you'd like to say to each of them particularly to keep in mind?
You know, I understand that cosplay could be very challenging, but now you've also grown a lot in the last few weeks, right? So don't be scared. Just create something very beautiful.
I would say go over the top, smash the clutter, have fun.
over the top, Rani.
You know, painting someone like a clown. I've dealt with my ex-boyfriend for a very long time, and I wish he could be here. So you'd have to do nothing to his face. But unfortunately, that's not the case. You'll have to make a very pretty clown. As for you, skeleton is, you know, you can make it a sexy skeleton, you can make it a scary skeleton, or then just contact my mother-in-law. No, but Tamanna, you need to prove yourself.
Cosplay theme, I was like, पहले मुझे था कि यार कभी कुछ नहीं किया ऐसा, तो it was really interesting to me.
And warrior, we need to see this timid girl creating a warrior. That's going to be like
That's going to be
epic.
You know what? Before we see that, Bijal, I want you to first give me a war cry. I want you to scream as loudly as you can. 1, 2, 3.
It's like she saw a rat in the kitchen.
Yeah, that's hardly a war cry. Yeah, that was a squeak. You can do better. Okay, I want a war cry. How's the blush?
Heavy!
Yeah. Oh my God. All right. We've had a little bit of fun. It's time to get your head back in the game. We know that this week's challenge is quite challenging. And to make it slightly easier on you guys, your models will be dressed in the right outfit that your theme matches in. Go right now to your workstations and wing it.
Super excited because I love Halloween. I love dressing up for Halloween. So the only thing I could think of was creating some fun Halloween look.
Well, at first when I found out that I have to create a clown look, I wasn't quite sure of what I'm gonna do. I took a good look at her costume. The only thing that came up to me was a horror theme.
All right, judges, their task has begun. I think it's time for us to go and check in on them. Let's do it? Let's go.
मुझे ऑप्शन में प्रिंसेस मिली थी. जब मैंने उसको करना शुरू किया तो आई वॉज रियली कॉन्फिडेंट. मुझे पता था मैंने करना क्या है एग्जैक्टली.
Tamanna, I want to give you one advice. Don't play too safe, you know. You have a very beautiful concept, but be very creative in that, right?
Cosplay is all about OTT. Go for it. Yeah, play with the colors. All the best.
Thank you so much.
I think I would consider cosplay as my strength because I like when I have to work with the details and it's more artistic. I think cosplay is more fun for me personally to do.
I think you've got the best one.
Yeah.
Just add some element that's going to be like wow for everybody. Don't be just the regular skeleton.
Yeah.
The diva skeleton.
Yes.
This is what happens when divas die and decay.
Yeah.
Fabulosity.
So Bijal,
Yes.
what's the story of your warrior?
It's that she just came from a war and she has her mask on, but with a little bit of glam on her eyes. Just can you close your eyes?
All right, a glamorous warrior.
Yeah.
I like it. I think if I were to be a warrior, I would totally wear this look.
She looks angry already.
Yeah.
Good, all the best.
So halfway done.
Alien told me that I'm running a little behind than everybody else. That kind of freaked me out a little, but I tried to stay calm because that's what is needed to, you know, create a good look.
Are you happy with what you've done so far?
And I'm just willing to take that risk of, you know, going the other way and making her look scary. So let's see how that works out for me.
Her model has a very strong face. So I think an interesting idea. It's a good contrast. Pay some attention to the finish though. Give it some thought, please.
Yeah.
I know that you love to play with this eyebrow. It's a very strong brow game. Do you really think this works on her?
Cosplay is more of, you know, each and every feature getting enhanced.
I think you should give that a little bit of thought.
Okay.
But it's a good risk to take. All the best.
Thank you. I thought if they don't like it, I should change it. So it took me a lot of time to change it. It was a waste of time for me.
All right, guys, 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brushes down. Okay, your final product is right here. We're going to break down each of your looks. Are you guys ready? All right, Sushant?
Because I'm such a clown myself, I didn't expect this. So when she turned, I was like, girl. I mean, I'm in my late 20s. The heart is not all that strong and all of that. But I thought it was a great image. I really appreciate the fact in such a short time, you've done so much on that face, and you know, hats off. So I would like to applaud you for that.
All the feedbacks actually did help me. That's why I was, I'm able to achieve the look that I did.
Personally, I think कि अंबिका का work इतना superb नहीं है कि अंबिका deserve करती है इतना आगे तक आना.
Pushkraj?
So I'll pick Bijal. So Bijal, you've been finishing top box through all the weeks almost, right? And when you got this one, we were all, really keen to see how sweet Bijal is going to do an angry warrior princess. And I think you've done an amazing job. She's ready to go for a shoot straight off. And it's simple, it's got character. Look at it from close. The finishing is also excellent.
Anupma?
Tamanna, I don't really know what you've done. I just see a very whitewashed face with lots of glitter here. I have not liked this look very much. And there's nothing creative that you've done here. You just went off the base, you went only glitter, and I'm pretty disappointed.
लास्ट वाला एपिसोड भी काफ़ी स्पॉइल हो गया था. वो काफ़ी डिसहार्टनिंग था और डिसअपॉइंटमेंट काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी, जिसका इम्पैक्ट आई थिंक इस एपिसोड पे भी आया है. मैं खुद से ही सैटिस्फाइड नहीं थी, तो जजेस तो सैटिस्फाइड नहीं होंगे.
Shikha, your fantasy theme was skeleton. Everything that I thought of, you have exceeded my expectations. You have taken the look of a skeleton and completely turned it on its head. The finesse in your lines, I can just end by saying, you totally deserve your spot in the top 4.
For this look, I have to give Shikha a standing ovation. It's one of the best
Completely
looks.
well deserved.
I was so happy because every week I think I was kind of playing safe, and today I just went for it. And I think when you get appreciated for something you really put your heart into, there's no better feeling.
My competition in this round was definitely Shikha. I took a look at her model and I was amazed by what she's done. I was blown away by her work.
You've just put the show on another level, so thank you.
I want to say this, that not only in this competition, but this is definitely one of the best that I've seen. Ever. Ever.
Yeah. Generally, whoever gets assigned your model, I know for a fact that she doesn't smile. Today, she's a smiling skeleton.
Yeah, what has happened?
She's happy with her look. This is a miracle of God.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
I mean, I was shocked. Smile. See, I don't have to tell you. Look.
It's a smiling
she's
skeleton.
laughing.
She's very
Good
happy.
point today.
She's like, अगर मुझे skeleton बनना है तो ऐसे ही skeleton बनना है.
Yeah.
All right, guys, the moment of truth is here. We have 4 of you in front of us, but only 3 of you will be going ahead and competing in the finale. Shikha, it's a no-brainer. You are definitely making it to the finale. Congratulations.
Feeling to be the first finalist on this show, I mean, I can't even tell you in words. I still can't believe it. It's a total pinch me moment.
Who goes through and who goes home?
So Ambika, how do you think you performed today?
So given the time constraint and the fact that I've never worked with cosplay makeup ever before, I think I did a pretty good job.
Are you sure?
I think so.
I think you're right. You work with looks that you haven't worked on before. You do a damn good job. You did that with the Marathi Bride, and you've repeated that again. So you are through to the finale. Congratulations.
That brings us down to Bijal and Tamanna. One of you will make it to the finale, and the other one will unfortunately have to leave this journey at this stage. Anupma, who goes through and who goes home?
Bijal has done a fantastic job. You know, the detailing on the lips, the detailing on the eyes, everything is fabulous. Tamanna, I had very high expectations from you because you had this concept of princess. Really, really disappointed with the princess. Tamanna, I'm really sorry, but you go home.
Congratulations, Bijal. You are the third contestant to make it to the finale. Tamanna, it's been a wonderful journey with you so far. I'm sure that through these weeks, you've learned a lot.
Yeah.
Your journey has been filled with ups and downs in the show. But needless to say, you are a wonderful artist and we wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
फिनाले से एक वीक पहले आउट हो जाना मेक्स मी मोर डिसहार्टेंड. आई नेवर थॉट ऑफ इट कि मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचूंगी भी. काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला. सो आई एम हैप्पी.
After 5 thrilling weeks, we finally have our top 3 who will be going to the finale where they will battle it out for the title of India's first hair and makeup superstar. The winner will get trained to be industry ready at Lakme Academy powered by Aptech and take their career to the next level as a professional hair and makeup artist. Don't forget to witness the final showdown next week on Lakme Academy powered by Aptech presents Winged powered by MTV. Because it's going to be lit AF. See ya. For our final showdown, we've decided to give our top 3 the task of preparing and executing a pitch for the cover of a magazine.
It can't be patchy.
It's not something that would be on a cover for sure.
Unless the cover story is Rebel Without a Cause.
The winner of being India's very first hair and makeup superstar is